So one of the great features on this new Godfrey vessel is you have Power Bimini. Very easy to use. First step, remove the boot. Now for the easy part, putting the Bimini up. Now, here on this Godfrey, your Power Bimini switch is located right here beside the captain's seat, and all you got to do, push the button. Once you hear the Bimini motor start to wind down, you can go ahead and stop it, because then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to secure your front legs. You can also adjust the front legs by pushing in this recess bait there. You take it, put it right on there. It's locked in. We'll go to the other side. Boom, locked in. This leg's already adjusted. Bimini's nice and snug. You're ready for having the shade in the day. Well, that was simple enough. Just as easy to put it away at the end of the day. First thing you do, unclip your legs, put them back up. And again, hit the button, let it work for you. Now that you heard the motor wind down again and it's nice and locked down firm on the radar position, then all that's left is to put the boot back on.